showed me.
We're not going through the gate, No, we're not going through the gate.
I leave that one. Leaving spaces for the crust. Dad, will you help me?
Yep, here's more sauce.
Thanks. A little bit more.
You could use all of it if you want to. And then spread it around. What's on TV today, Vin?
Football.
What game?
I said it's football.
Is it the Super Bowl today?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Are you making Super Bowl pizza?
Yup, I am. I like cooking.
You're great at preparing food, Vinny.
I am. I need a wipey to wash my hands so I can eat the cheese.
You don't need a wipey. You can go ahead. Take a piece of cheese.
Okay. I'm gonna eat it. Do you want to have some with me?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It's really good for me. I can make it without a full stomach.
You can't make it without a full stomach.
Yeah. That would be silly. That would be silly, Billy. Billy. Silly Billy.
Cheese break.
Ah,
Taking a cheese break.
I'm taking a cheeseburger too.
Mm-hmm. Want to use the basil and the oregano?
Uh-huh. Which one is the basil?
This one.
Oh. Oh, we're not sure.
Do you miss the basil from your garden?
Mm-hmm.
We'll plant more basil in the springtime.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that looked good. All right.
Now I can close
Well,
it.
yeah, you can close it. You want to put some oregano on?
Sure.
You don't need that much. Not too much. Now put the cheese all over it.
3, and 1 for me because I want to eat it.
Lots of cheese breaks.
Uh-huh. What's that? You have to wait, Mom.
Mm-hmm. Put more cheese on, Vin.
Hey.
Put it all over in a big circle.
That cheese will be the center.
That's fine.
I'm going to put it around the center.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to eat this part again. One more. Yeah.
Is that all?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mushroom time.
Right, mushroom.
Don't eat the raw mushrooms, but put them on the pizza nice, okay?
Okay. This are on mushroom?
Those are all mushrooms, yeah. They all go on the pizza. You could sprinkle them everywhere.
All good. All sprinkled. Oh, one more cheese, because I like to eat cheese.
Is it ready to cook? What do you think?
I think so.
You think so? All right. You ready to watch the Super Bowl and wait for it to cook?
Yeah.
All right. Say bye.